Okay, so hello grade 5. Today we're going to talk about the human body. On va parler du corps humain. This is a new material, c'est une nouvelle matière. Donc je m'attends à que tu aies des questions avec le vocabulaire, mais on va faire en sorte qu'on comprenne bien en anglais. Alright, so let's start with the human body. Inside the human body, à l'intérieur de notre corps humain, inside we have 5 different systems. Those systems are very important. We have the first one that is called the circulatory system. Le système circulatoire. Example, blood, arteries, veins. Then we have the respiratory system. Le système respiratoire. After the respiratory system, the digestive system. Le système digestif. Then we have something that we call the skeletal system. Le système squelettique, and we finish with the excretory system. So we have 5 different systems. Those are very important to know. Let's start with the first one, and today we're going to talk about this one, the circulatory system. To show you a better example, here we have an example of the human body and the circulatory system. You can see some blue lines, you can see some red lines, and you can see just in the middle, like some kind of a circle that is just pumping something. That's the heart. Alright, so let's have a look more specifically at an image. Here we have an example of the human body and the circulatory system. For this one, we're going to just start drawing some things, and I'm going to explain to you what exactly every single line means. So let's start with the red lines. On va commencer avec les lignes rouges. The red lines are called arteries, des artères. The blue lines are called the veins. And just in the middle, we have something that we call, well, you know this one, the heart. Le cœur. So we have 3 different things here: arteries, veins, and the heart. The arteries are very important because they bring the blood to the body. Les artères emmènent le sang vers l'entièreté du corps, du cœur vers le corps. Then we have the veins. The veins bring back bring back the blood to the heart. The veins bring back the blood to the heart. Les veines ramènent le sang vers le cœur. Okay, I'm just going to show you an example how those things move. So let's have a look. In the middle, we have the heart. The heart is pumping blood. If you see the red path, you can see the artery. And inside, you have some dots. Those dots are red blood cells. Ce sont les cellules c'est le sang qui passe du cœur et qui s'en va vers les extrémités. In blue, you have the same thing. Inside, you have blood that comes from, well, the blood that comes from the extremities to the heart. Donc, ça va des extrémités vers le cœur. Let's follow one specific path. We start from the heart, and then we're going to go down. The blood goes down, and it continues around the body. It gives the blood to the extremities, and it continues and it continues. The blood can actually go down until it reaches the feet. And then the blood goes up and comes back, goes up, and comes back to the heart. There's something extra that I have to talk about, and those are the capillaries. So the capillaries, so inside we have the capillaries, and those are tiny, very small tubes like veins or arteries. Ça ressemble à des veines ou des artères. But very, very small. And where are they? Où est-ce qu'elles se retrouvent? À l'intérieur des organes, inside the organs, or tissues. À l'intérieur des organes ou les tissus. So let's review. On va réviser. The circulatory system has arteries, veins, very important, the heart, and capillaries. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. Here you have the circulatory system. You have the red ones are the arteries, the blue ones are the veins. We cannot see the capillaries, but they're very important. So arteries are vessels that carry blood away from the heart. The main artery is the aorta. Donc on a une artère principale qui s'appelle l'aorte. Very important to know that word. Then we have the veins. On a les veines. The veins are vessels that carry blood back to the heart. The capillaries. The smallest kind of blood vessels through which materials are exchanged between blood and body cells. Donc on a vraiment les capillaires qui sont petits à l'intérieur des capillaires, on a les cellules sanguines qui font les échanges avec les organes. Les échanges de quoi? Les échanges de différents matériels. There's an exchange of material, pas n'importe quel matériel, c'est de l'oxygène ou des nutriments. And inside each blood vessel, à l'intérieur de chaque vaisseau sanguin, we have red blood cells, donc le sang. It carries oxygen from the lungs. The lungs are ce sont les poumons. Les cellules sanguines emmènent l'oxygène des poumons vers le corps, to all the cells of the body, vers toutes les cellules du corps. And in addition, inside the blood vessels, we have white blood cells. On a les cellules très importantes qui se chargent de protéger notre corps. White blood cells. All right? So, as a review, we have arteries, veins and capillaries. Voici les 3 vaisseaux sanguins importants. Et à l'intérieur des vaisseaux sanguins, inside our blood vessels, we have red blood cells and white blood cells.